Hey guys, today we are doing a quick demo of one of the sources I use to collect rainwater into my rainwater harvesting system. It's unfortunately not raining today, so I'm going to use water from my garden hose to simulate the rain. If you recall from an earlier video this year, I was explaining my rainwater harvesting plan. The water on the upper part of the roof runs down to the lower part and then down to a downspout here. I want to collect it in a catch basin, have it flow underground and then get pumped into my tanks. I showed the progress of that project in a previous video, and here a few months later we have an update and a demo on how it's working. So the 3 tanks still have quite a bit of water. They'll be emptied out shortly, but I just want to give a final update on how the water collection system is working for this downspout over here. The downspout that's here is hooked directly into the tank. The one over here, however, makes its way down the downspout and into this collection basin right here, and then as that fills up, the water flows in through there into the pipe here, and then as you've seen before, the pipe underground, and then out right here. So we'll let that fill up, and the pump will kick in and take the water through the hose and then up through. The hoses will be put in a bit of a neater fashion next year, put behind the air conditioner, and so that things are a bit neater, and then I'll get these chained together. We'll worry about that in the new year as well. So once this gets filled up here, let's just let the pump kick in and send the water into the water tank. Alright guys, there you have it. I can now collect rainwater which falls on the back half of my roof. If we have a good 2 hours of heavy rain, I can now fill one of these tanks, which is double my previous fill rate. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more Acreage Life videos.